Do you know we can also add custom tabs for LearnDash courses, lessons, topics, quizzes and groups? That can help you to add some extra sections. If you click on the setting, then you see a custom tabs layout. If you want to add extra custom tabs for courses, then first you write the section title, and add tabs as many as you can, as per your requirement. Interestingly, you can easily manage the tabs by selecting your desired icons and the tab names. Finally, you save it. If you go to the setting page, you find options to hide tabs for logged out users and the users who are not enrolled on the course, as well as groups. If you jump into the custom lesson, topic, quiz and group tabs, you'll follow the same procedure as the course custom tabs. Let's go into the course page and see how the custom tabs interface here. This section shows you to enable or disable the custom tabs functionality. You just enable the tab and mark to display the tab on every lessons, topics, quizzes. Then right here the content with an option to add media, shortcodes and HTML. After all, just update it and see how the user front-end interface is. Here is the content you wanted to show to your users through custom tabs. This add-on also has an exclusive option to reorder the tabs on front-end for courses, lessons, topics and quizzes. To reorder the tabs, go to the Edit Page Tabs section, and change the sequences per your requirement. And simply update it. Here you are. The tabs have been reordered successfully. This is how amazingly custom tabs work for you. For more details and to read our documentation, visit LDninjas.com.